Budgetary Evolution, your host, Forever Sage. Yeah, that's what's up. Let's put this guy aside, then let's jump straight to the chat. I'm really tired today, but don't stress about it. What I want us to do, what I want us to deep in. Yeah. Gold, first. Today we dropping some knowledge, right? Dropping some serious knowledge. Come in. Yeah, what up? I think so. Someone check a laundry. Yeah, only laundry basket is wearing totally clean next to the washing machine. Aye. They disturbed me, but it's fine. Yeah, first of all, what I like to do when it's Sunday like this, I'm analyzing for the whole week. What I like to do, I jump on what? I jump on the weekly time frame. And what do I do when I get on a weekly time frame? We actually spot out what? We spot out our supply and demand. You have to spot out our supply and demand, guys. This will be our supply, right? Come in.
The white one is the laundry machine.
Yeah. I don't know yet.
Huh?
Yes, everything that was in the washing machine, Kitty a nail. Yeah, and I'm dropping some knowledge on the washing machine, you can hear. So yeah, this will be our, right? This will be our demand. Then from there, we'll be going on what? The lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. And when I get on a daily time frame, first thing that I like to do when I get on a time frame, every time frame I will say first thing. Let's stop kidding. Yeah, but when I get on a daily time frame, okay, let's move this guy. Let's just check the chat. When I get on a daily time frame, I look for the direction. I check the direction. I check the trend. I go for the trend. And we all can agree currently what we have it is a descending trend, which makes it a bearish trend, right? This is a bearish trend. If you clone this diagonal resistance to the check, okay. I will make 3. Yeah. If you clone it like this, it's still accurate. It's nice. So yeah, this is what I'm finding. You're just gonna go back to the candles chart to actually adjust our trend lines to actually cater for what? For the cater for the weeks. That's what I meant. This is our diagonal resistance, right? And this will be our diagonal support. Yeah. So diagonal support, meaning we are still in what? We are still in a bearish trend. We haven't broken. Okay, now we're gonna jump on a 4-hour time frame to actually look for what we gonna be looking for. The pattern. We're gonna be looking for the pattern. So yeah. So what is it that you will see from where the price is at? What is it that you see? Let me take it back to. I saw something when I was on a daily time frame. Nice, yeah. So when I get on a 4-hour time frame, what I saw is that we might go bullish from where the price is at. So you just need to find our zone. supporting what I'm saying. I'm taking it from the previous rejection. Ayo. Yeah, this one will label it RNS. What is RLS? Is resistance or support. This will be our resistance or support, meaning currently it acts as a support because the price is above the zone, but once this price break below the zone, we'll actually name it resistance. It will automatically turn into resistance, but from where the chart is at right now, since on Friday I was seeing a continuation, saying the market will sell. Now is Sunday, I'm seeing the market will be going up. Yeah, so at this point we're on a 4-hour time frame. Let's just jump on a 1-hour time frame and see what we find. So reason being, when I was saying selling, right, when I saw a sell, reason being was that we had an impulse movement to the downside. This acts as a correction, and after a correction expecting an impulse movement, right? But because tomorrow is Monday and we are not taking trades because it's Monday, the market is gonna be choppy. So what I will do right now on a 1-hour time frame is just gonna jump on a line graph. It's not making. Let's take it from the above. Let's take it from above. Yeah. A little bit supportive. Let's clone it and see what it gives us. Not solid enough. Let me check. Okay, it's solid. It's clean. It has broken right over here. So yeah, what I would like to see the market do, right? I want to see the market push to the downside. Reason being, I know I'm seeing a buy, but we are in a bearish trend, so we must respect the trend. Jumping from, let's start from a daily time frame, right? Daily time frame, what are we? Which trend are we on? Bearish trend. 4-hour time frame. Which trend are we on? We're still on a bearish trend, right? 1-hour time frame. From here to where the market is at, created what? Bearish trend. Now, I'm saying what I want to see the market do is push to the downside, then come, maybe break, go, something like that. You feel me? Yeah, this is what I'm hoping to see on the market. Why am I still sanctioning a sell? Let's just check for the zones. We have a reaction. This one will be our right shoulder. I don't know why I'm even writing this manually, like guys, like why? Because there are systems placed for this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be removing that one since it didn't even work. Sorry. Going on the patterns, right? The head and shoulder pattern. Saying, bro, don't play with me. Saying from here, we got a left shoulder coming from here to give us a head, then to coming from here to actually give us a right shoulder, a push to the other side. That's my first reason, right? First reason why I'm sanctioning a sell, why I'm predicting a sell. Now let's go on about it. Using the market structure, the correction and a continuation to the trend, unless we get a reversal chart pattern, and currently we don't have any reversal chart pattern, right? Yeah, as you can see what's happening on the market. And you know, why I like gold. One of the reasons I like gold is that gold will repeat itself couple of times, telling you, brother, today, like for the whole week, for the whole month that we're trading. What are we trading? We're trading double top. We're trading whatever the pairing. It will like. Yeah, whatever the pairing. Gold will tell you, okay, Baba, go ad free, Baba. Now I like free stuff, guys. I don't like paying for shit. If I can do it, I do it myself. So, even this, I can do this myself. If I put my mind on it, I can create my own trading view. Okay, we're not there. So why was I talking about repetition? Check from here to here. I'll say this is a shoulder. The market came down, give us a head. Now it came all the way here. It must obviously the market has to respect what this diagonal support, which is now a resistance. It has to respect where it broke, which might give us what the right shoulder shooting to the downside. I'm not talking too much. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing on the market. So, yeah, something like this. Probably, yeah, something like this. This is my prediction of the upcoming week. So, I'm looking to take my buys. Let me check. Yeah, I'm looking to take my buys from here. Go on a daily time frame. Yeah, I don't know, guys, but that's what I see. You feel me? That's what I see, guys. That's what I see. So yeah, we done for the gold. We done on gold, guys. We done on gold. Hopefully, we'll get our structure, our setup clean on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we're gonna be jumping on a 15 minutes time frame to actually look for the entry. So we done on gold. We're just gonna be touching again on US30. As for USD, GPY, and gbpusd, I don't think we'll be trading it anytime soon. We might even end up canceling them. Yeah, let's delete the drawings. Remember, what do? We go on a weekly time frame because we're analyzing for the whole week. And when we get on the weekly time frame, first thing that you're gonna be doing, I mean, just change the colors. I normally change the color depending on how I'm feeling that week or that day, anytime. So I'm feeling like going. Okay, that's so nice. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, let me zoom it in. I don't like it like that, but let me try another color. But I'm feeling blue. Okay, I just need to find the right blue. Yeah, I like this one. The one that I'm having now is fine. As for this one is always gray, my G's. This one is always gray. So yeah, let's go on about it. Get on a weekly time frame. First thing that you're gonna be doing, you gonna mark out your supply. After you're done with your supply, you're gonna mark out your demand. I'll be putting our demand right over here, saying this will be our demand. This will be our demand. Let me just nice. Now we're gonna go on a daily time frame. Remember, when you go on a daily time frame, first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna jump on a line graph. So when you're on a line graph, what are we looking for? We're looking for the trend. So let's try and find the trend. We can see that we're having a bullish trend because the market is going up. But also we need to find what our diagonal resistance and our diagonal support. Since we found our diagonal resistance like this, we're gonna clone it. clone it. Nice, we cloned it to the downside. This is what we're getting. Now you're gonna jump back to what? To the candlestick chart, to the candles chart, so that we can modify our diagonal resistance and diagonal support to actually do what? Cater for the weeks, right? This will be what? Our diagonal resistance, and this one will be our diagonal support. Now that we have those and we know we are in a bullish trend, we have to go on 4 hour. On 4 hour, we're going to be looking for two things. We're going to be looking for trend, because we have trends and trends, and we're going to be looking for structure. What pattern are we getting? As you can see in this pending channel that we're having, we have a bearish trend, right? Came from here to here, creating lower highs and lower lows. Now we have to again push or press the line graph. On the line graph, we're gonna actually find what? Our diagonal resistance and diagonal support on what? On this trend. I don't know, but yeah, on this trend. So remember, we move back to the candles to actually move our guy to cater for the weeks. It won't actually cater for all the weeks, but we get the point. Now that we see, right? Now that we see, check what do we see? We are having a bearish trend. It touches our diagonal support. And what happens on support? What happens on support is that the market goes up if it happens that it didn't break the support, right? Now you're gonna jump on a 1 hour time frame. Since we didn't find the structure on a 1 hour time frame, we're gonna be looking for the structure. On the 4 hour time frame, we're gonna be looking for the structure on the 1 hour time frame. And I'm not seeing clearly. Or what structure we getting? Or which structure we getting? I'm not seeing clearly. But I need you, Cray. The market had a push to the other side. Little came again, push to the side. Now it's playing like that. With what's happening, what I see it might happen is that we might get an ascending triangle. An ascending triangle is a signal of a reversal, a bullish pattern. With ascending triangle, what do you get? It is a triangle like this one. Let me try and find the triangle for you. Give me a minute. This is a triangle. It has to go like this. Let me put it straight. This is how a diagonal triangle looks like. So with that, I have the hopes of the market pushing, but also getting this rejection to actually push to the upside. So with that, what we'll do, just cancel this one and place our long position right over somewhere here. This will be our stop loss, and going back to 4 hour time frame to actually put it right, and this will be our take profit. So we also done with US30. I don't remember actually adjusting my stop loss on gold. Let's just go on gold. My stop loss needs to be below the week, so it's nice. Below the week, it's nice, guys. Perfect. Let me just check if you can analyze USD, JPY, and gbpusd, but I don't have the feeling. I really don't have the feeling. Nah. I saw a sell from where I don't know. Cause if I adjust, what happened on my phone? Let me check something out. Yeah, I was gonna analyze it. Let me check the time. 20 minutes. I've never analyzed so fast in my life. But yeah, the best I can do on one pair is like 15 minutes. Today I did like 20 minutes. So yeah, I think I'll just close it from here because I'm having some technical glitches with my camera, as you can see this side. So yeah, as for the rest, maybe I'll do this one on weekend, not weekend, on Wednesday, in the USD JPY and gbpusd. This Forever says signing out. Thank you for getting to this part of the video. Yeah,